everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make matcha cheesecake. I'm adding some matcha flavor to my regular cheesecake recipe. It's very simple and easy to make. So if you're looking for a cheesecake variation, try it out. You ready? Let's get started. These are what you need. 200 grams or half pound cream cheese, room temperature, 100 milliliter of heavy cream, 70 grams of sugar, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 to 2 tablespoons of matcha powder. I'm doing 2 tablespoons today. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of butter, and 60 grams of cracker or cookies or biscuits. This is the mold I'm using today. It's 15 centimeter silicone mold lined with parchment paper. Let's make the bottom first. So put biscuits or cracker or cookie in food processor. And blend it until it's fine granules. Let's melt the butter using microwave. I did 30 seconds at 600 watts. Add it in here. Let the cookie soak up the butter. Put it in the mold. And press it down with something flat. I'm using small potato matcha covered with plastic film. Nice and firm. Let's just put it aside. Now, I'm making the cream cheese filling. Sugar and matcha powder in the bowl. Whisk well so that there is no lumpy sugar or lumpy matcha powder. Then cream cheese. Mix well until it's nice and smooth. No lumpy cream cheese left, and it's nice and smooth. Back to the whisk. Heavy cream. And mix. Yogurt. Mix. One egg. And mix. Flour using small tea strainer. And mix. Then back to spatula to make sure there is no unmixed part sticking to the bowl. Okay, let's put the filling in the mold. Drop it few times to push out the air inside. I'm going to bake this in a hot bath, so let's put it in the pot. And pour some hot water about halfway up the cake. Make sure the water don't go into the cake. Okay, let's bake it. 50 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, then 5 to 7 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. The oven is preheated. Bake for 55 minutes total. Let's cool it down to room temperature. Once it's room temperature, put toothpick between the cake and the mold and slide it. So the cake is off the mold. Then wrap the cake with the mold with plastic film. Chill in the fridge at least overnight. Here is the cheesecake I baked yesterday. So let's cut and try. To create nice clean cut, it's better to use warm knife. So prepare some hot water. Remove the film. Take it out from the mold. Warm up the knife. Dry with paper towel and cut. Let's serve on the plate. And matcha cheesecake is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's so rich, dense but creamy. 2 tablespoons of matcha powder is just right for me, or I would add a little more. But if you're not familiar with matcha flavor, you may want to start with 1 tablespoon. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!